So our next example is B. The example is minus 21 into bracket multiplied by bracket minus 4 plus minus 6 bracket closed is equal to minus 21 multiplied by into bracket minus 4 bracket closed plus minus 21 multiplied by minus 6. So let us solve this example. First we will solve the LHS and then we will solve the RHS. Let us solve LHS first. Minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus minus 6. Let us solve this by Bodmas rule. Okay, minus 4 minus 6. This will become minus 4 minus 6. Minus 21 multiplied. Okay, minus 4 minus 6. This becomes minus 10. Minus 21 multiplied by minus 10. The answer is what? 210. Positive. Two negative signs make positive sign. Okay, when two negative numbers are multiplied, you get the positive number. Okay, now RHS. First we will solve minus 21 multiplied by minus 4. So minus 21 multiplied by minus 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this gives us 84. Plus, now we will solve this. 21 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So this gives us 1 2 6. So 84 plus 126 or 24. So 84 plus 126 or 126 plus 84. Let us do it. 126 plus 84. The answer is 6 plus 4 is 10. 1. This will be 11. This will be 1. So this will be 2. So the answer is 210. So our answer is correct. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified.